Hey guys, it's pouring down rain out there. We got rained on. It rained on you?
Yes.
Yeah. Did it rain on you, Cash? Yeah, it rained on Mommy too. So we're gonna go get some French fries, and since it's raining so hard, I don't know if you can tell, and we can't go to the playground, we're gonna go to the thrift stores and just go look around and have some fun, get some French fries, and just get out of the house. We've been stuck in the house for a few days, haven't we? We need to go have some fun. Ready, go.
Cash's turn.
Do it again.
No, Cash's turn.
Can you pick that up for me? Thank you. What do you think you got in there? What did I say the mailman was going to bring today? He's going to bring a box, a Lala Loopsy box maybe? There's one for Cash in there too. Let's see. What are you eating, Cash?
Peppa Pig.
You're eating Peppa Pig? Oh, you're playing in muddy puddles?
Peppa Pig getting my puddle.
Show me what you have there. Not that. Show me the package. Nutella. What a mess. You guys are messy. Your pretzel's gonna be Peppa Pig? That's cute. What, Cash? You stepped in a muddy puddle? With your face? I can't believe Susie gave those to you. I see your face. You're done? No? I think they need a bath tonight, Daddy. What do you think?
I think they're pretty gross.
Excuse me, which way to the gym? Is it that way?
Oh, Lordy. Cat Lily just said, oh, Lordy.
You need to call your mother and tell them to come clean the babies.
I know. Let's go over to Susie's house just like this.
Let's go. Want to see Zuzu? Dilly, getting it on your eyeball.
Oh, Lord.